Hello, beautiful. How come you're here visiting us? You're so beautiful.
No.
Hello, beautiful. Why are you here? I've never seen such a beautiful thing such as you. Why are you joining us for our lunch? We're just here having some cheese and crackers. Why do we deserve your presence, beautiful? Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Yes, look at your beautiful blue colours on your eyes and your beautiful brown feathers. You look stunning. You look absolutely Priscilla-like. Look at you. I take it you're a boy. Look at you. You're in your finery, aren't you? Look at you, splendid one, sitting on the chair while we're eating after we had our wine tasting. Look at you. Look at you. Who would have guessed that such a beautiful specimen such as yourself would have come here and visited me? Moi, that's French, you know. Visited me while I'm having my lunch. And you're still here. I can't believe it.